Is Lloyds an online bank? That's a question many of you have probably pondered while navigating the ever-evolving landscape of modern finance. We're all increasingly managing our money digitally, from paying bills on our smartphones to checking our balances on the go. So, it's natural to wonder where traditional banking giants like Lloyds fit into this picture. Are they keeping up with the digital revolution, or are they relics of a bygone era of brick-and-mortar branches? Think about your own banking habits. How often do you actually visit a physical bank these days? For many, the answer is rarely. Our lives are increasingly online, and we expect our financial institutions to be just as accessible. This shift towards digital banking has led to the rise of numerous online-only banks, often touted for their convenience, lower fees, and cutting-edge technology. These digital disruptors have certainly shaken up the industry, forcing traditional banks to adapt and innovate. So, back to our original question, is Lloyds one of these online-only banks? The short answer, perhaps surprisingly to some, is no. Lloyds Banking Group, which includes Lloyds Bank, Halifax, and Bank of Scotland, is fundamentally a traditional high street bank with a long and rich history. They maintain a significant network of physical branches across the United Kingdom, offering in-person services and support to their customers. However, to simply label Lloyds as not an online bank would be a gross oversimplification of their current operations. Over the past decade, Lloyds has heavily invested in its digital infrastructure, recognizing the growing demand for online and mobile banking services. They offer a comprehensive suite of online and mobile banking tools that allow customers to manage their accounts, make payments, transfer funds, and even apply for loans and mortgages without ever stepping foot inside a branch. Their mobile banking app is a prime example of this digital transformation. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, from biometric login for enhanced security to spending insights that help customers track their finances. You can also use the app to contact customer support, find nearby ATMs, and receive personalized offers. Similarly, their online banking portal provides a secure and accessible platform for managing your accounts from your computer. Furthermore, Lloyds has embraced other digital innovations, such as contactless payments, mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and instant payment services. They are constantly updating their digital offerings to enhance the customer experience and stay competitive in the rapidly evolving fintech landscape. So, while Lloyds isn't an exclusively online bank, it's more accurate to describe it as a bank with a strong and well-developed online presence. They leverage digital technology to provide convenient and efficient services to their customers while still maintaining their traditional branch network for those who prefer face-to-face interaction. They are, in essence, bridging the gap between traditional banking and the digital age, offering customers the best of both worlds. This hybrid approach caters to a diverse customer base, recognizing that some individuals still value the personal touch and expertise offered by physical branches, while others prioritize the convenience and speed of online and mobile banking. Lloyd's strategy seems to be about providing choice and flexibility, allowing customers to interact with them in the way that best suits their needs and preferences. Therefore, when considering whether Lloyd's is an online bank, remember that the financial landscape is no longer a simple dichotomy between physical and digital. Banks like Lloyd's are evolving, integrating digital solutions into their traditional framework to meet the demands of a modern world. They are not solely online, but they are undeniably a significant player in the digital banking space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.